Hello, this is Kenn Renner, real estate broker here in the North Austin Metro, and I'm super excited about the re-release of my Home Buying Secrets book that I wrote back in 2010. This is my best-selling book. It covers 160 different secrets on how to put you in the best position to be able to buy a home. Everything you would need to know about buying a home is in this book. And so we're having a book signing on this here in Liberty Hill. It's going to be Saturday, January 31st. It's going to be at the Brohn Homes Cascade model home in Liberty Hill, just about 5 minutes north of the new Costco and Super Target going in. And so we'll be on that the course. I cover about the 10 steps of the home buying process and reasons why you should buy a home, and then also talk about a lot of the mortgage secrets and things like that. Since I spent a lot of time in the mortgage business, so I'd love to share my 40 years of wisdom and experience with you through the book to help put you in a great position to buy your next home. And/or if you can come to the home buying crash course, that's homebuyingcrashcourse.com. It is the number one attended home buying crash course, home buying class in Texas. So I really love to see you there. And if you'd like a free copy of the book, we'll be signing it. We'll give you a free copy. But also, you can, if you'd like a soft copy, I'd be glad to send one to you. So just send me your email address, and I'll be glad to send it to you. So, Home Buying Secrets is the new book. The book released just revised. And super excited to see you hopefully at my home buying crash course coming up. And so if you need to reach me, go ahead and give me a call, 512-423-5626. Or you can use my email address, Kenn, Kenn, at buyaustin.com if you'd like a free soft copy of the book. And so I'll see you at the course. Let me know what I can do to help you out. And I really appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Thank you.